Hello everyone and welcome back to this video, and today I'm going to walk you through how to publish your YouTube videos to subscription feeds on YouTube Studio. So how do you publish to your subscription feeds so that your subscribers can be notified that you've published a video? So what you do is that, let's say I want to do this for this particular video, tap on details because it's done for each video. Let's say I want to, let's go down, click on show more. It should be among the last options, and you see, let's see here, I think I've gone too far. This is it here, right here under recording dates, location, license and distribution. So you can see it's turned off, so just tap on it. Now this is the problem, because I've already uploaded this video, I can't change it. But if you've not uploaded the video and you're just uploading it here, you mark it to make sure it shows. Once you mark it, it will publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers that you have published a video. Now the reason why it's not highlighted, I repeat, is because I've already published this video. I've told YouTube that I don't want the subscribers to know that I've published, to notify the subscribers that I've published the video. That is why it's like this. So once the video has been published and you did not tick here, you cannot change it again. So it's when you are publishing that you should make sure you tick, make sure this is ticked, so that your video will be published to subscription feeds and subscribers will be notified that you just published a video. Hope you found this video helpful. And once you're through with that, don't forget to click on save.